Every day, all over the world, millions of tracked machines are at work in many different industrial sectors. 1/3 of the world demand for undercarriage components for tracked machines is produced by Berco. The company, founded in 1920 in Copparo, in the province of Ferrara, Italy, and still today the company headquarters, has grown over the years with the addition of the factories at Castelfranco Veneto and Bussano. Every year, Berco produces 150,000 chains, 1 million rollers, 5 million track shoes, 200,000 idlers and sprockets, equal to more than 200,000 tons of finished product per year. A deep knowledge of the products and the use of the most modern technologies allow us to provide support to our clients, starting with the design stage, using specific software such as CAD and FEM to test the resistance of the components. Simulation of the production processes, for example, forging, are used efficiently to ensure the highest manufacturing quality. In order to realize in a very short time computer-elaborated models, machines capable of producing rapid three-dimensional prototypes are used. This allows the evaluation of the functional and aesthetic characteristics of both a single and assembled component prior to the engineering and production phases. The Research and Development Center uses the most advanced techniques to provide the best support to engineering and different production departments, from the selection of steel to rubber compounds used in the end product. Stress tests on heat-treated samples are carried out to improve performance and wear under different field conditions. Photoelasticity and strain gauge techniques are commonly used for stress and fatigue test analysis on individual and assembled components. In an ongoing effort to improve product quality, regular informative meetings are held in the Quality Control Group, when we also like to involve our clients. At Berco, we are ready to introduce the new version of ISO 9001 Vision 2000 for the continuous improvement of the performance of our products. Customer demand for products with a longer service life is on the increase. In the Berco testing lab, we are able to test products before they are introduced in the field. In this way, we can provide a reliable product also under extreme operating conditions. The pressing lines for semi-rollers are completely automated and produce more than 2 million semi-rollers per year. For the hot ring rolling, Berco uses an up-to-date circular, multi-spindle rolling mill, which is used exclusively for the production of the outer rims for fabricated front wheels. The newest forging line, with a 32,000-ton screw press, highlights the attention Berco pays to technology in its forging processes. Among other items, the system produces idlers and sprockets, which were once produced through a casting process with expensive manual deburring operations. The new line is also capable of producing large forged pieces used in the production of undercarriage components for mining machinery. Anthropomorphic robots, used to support the operation machine tools, are constantly improved by Berco in order to ensure higher quality standards. One of the more interesting uses is the oxyacetylene cutting system for special track shoes. The innovation of production processes aims at the reduction of lead times, production costs, and the improvement in the quality of the end products. The production of link chains, for example, uses innovative technologies to remove shavings using creep feed grinding, thus fostering the single manufacturing stages. Flexible, computer-managed production systems which use sophisticated numeric control machines allow for the production of different pieces with a further reduction of the preparation times. The new workshops for processing roller supports use flexible production systems integrating numeric control lathes, workstations, measuring stations, handling systems, and robotic slaves. The anthropomorphic robots are used not only for loading and unloading the machine, but also for tightening the locking equipment. The processes used for the production of strategic components have been designed and produced internally by Berco in order to guarantee the best reliability. For example, in the heavy-duty cast iron alloy sealing ring production department, all the operations for heat treatment, processing, and final control of the whole production are carried out. The use of robots in performing tiring or dangerous jobs during assembly operations offers an important support for workers. In the workstation for mounting rubber rollers at the Castelfranco Veneto factory, heavy pieces handling and repetitive operations are fully automated. At the factory in Castelfranco Veneto, the production of front tensioner units has been concentrated for all the different configurations of production and sales, from the welded wheel right up to the wheel with tensioner. The production line uses a computerized management system to supervise all the working phases, from welding to heat treatment to assembly to painting. Using this highly automated production system, Berco has reached an undisputed leadership position in this sector. In Berco, chain painting takes place in modern painting workshops, which use specially studied paints, which also respect the environment and conform to the ISO 14000 certification. An efficient logistics center, able to sort more than 1,500 tons of finished products per day, permits rapid and efficient shipping of all our components to any destination. The use of automated and modular warehouses with computerized management for smaller components means that orders are dealt with much more quickly. Further logistics and support centers can be found in Germany, the United States, and Brazil in order to render the service even more effective. Through our network of more than 200 dealers, the immediate availability of original Berco spare parts can be guaranteed throughout the world. Berco guarantees not only assistance for the choice of the best component for the type of use, but also assistance in the field using skilled technicians. Specialized, made-to-measure courses according to the needs of each dealer are organized to ensure the best training for our personnel. Using Internet, Berco provides its dealers with direct access to its database for the undercarriage products and relative maintenance equipment.
Every day, all over the world, millions of tracked machines are at work in agriculture, construction, mining, and other industries. A third of these machines are moving on Burco undercarriages. The company was founded in Coppero, near Ferrara, Italy, in 1920, when Vezio Bertoni opened a little repair workshop. He and his partner, Roberto Cotti, called their business the Bertoni and Cotti Mechanical Workshop, which led to the name Burco. Gianni Bertoni, Vezio's son, joined the company in the 60s, and in just a few years, the Burco workforce grew to 2,000. When his father died in 1977, Gianni transferred 50% of the business to the German multinational Hoesch, which subsequently took over the entire company stock in 1986. Burco has expanded over the years, with factories in Castelfranco, Veneto, and Bussano being added to the original Coppero factory. Every year, Burco produces over 250,000 tons of finished product, with a turnover of more than €500 million, providing work for over 3,000 people. Burco invests continuously in product and process improvement, spending over €30 million a year on research, development, and new machinery. Burco is part of ThyssenKrupp, the Dusseldorf-based German multinational, a major company in the world steel industry and a leading manufacturer of components, machine tools, and plant engineering systems. With a constant eye to the quality of its products, Burco controls every phase of the production process, from the design stage right through to the delivery of the finished product. The new ISO 9001 Vision 2000 directives were implemented in the company several years ago. Burco has been ISO 14001 certified since January 2000. With the introduction of eco-compatible procedures and the opening of a new waste disposal facility in 2001 and a new water purification unit in 2002. Almost half of Burco's undercarriage components are sold all over the world on the aftermarket, bearing the Burco brand name. And over 55% of the products go to factories of original equipment manufacturers, known as the OEM market. Every year, Burco produces 140,000 idler groups, 1,300,000 rollers, 180,000 track chains, 6 million track shoes, 180,000 sprockets. A total of over 250,000 tons of finished product a year. In order to meet the wide-ranging needs of its customers, Burco is organized in 5 divisions. The Burco Mini Undercarriage Division produces undercarriage systems for machines weighing 1 to 6 tons, with track change pitch ranging from 90 to 140 millimeters. The Burco Medium Range Division makes components for machines with weights ranging from 7 to 50 tons and chain pitch 140 to 216 millimeters. The Burco Mining Products Division produces undercarriage systems for large-size machines with weights ranging from 50 to 300 tons and chain pitch from 216 to 350 millimeters. Burco Rubberized Products offers a full range of components for machines with rubber-tracked undercarriages. from compact track loaders to agricultural tractors. The Burco Service Division produces a complete range of equipment for servicing tracked machine undercarriages, including hydraulic presses, track shoe bolt torquing units, and track chain winders. Burco does much more than supply components. It also designs and builds complete tracked undercarriage systems, both for standard machines and special applications. An important example of this is the CTL, Compact Track Loader project, in which Burco has developed 6 undercarriage systems complete with track frame and rubber track. With its thorough knowledge of the product and the use of modern technology, Burco is able to help its customers right from the design stage, using dedicated software such as CAD and FEM to verify the strength of the components. Computerized rapid prototyping machines are used to create 3-dimensional models, making it possible to assess the functional and appearance characteristics of individual components and assemblies before the production stage. The Materials Development and Metallurgic Laboratory uses highly advanced techniques to provide all the necessary support to the engineering management in the different production areas. Wear resistance and mechanical properties are key factors in undercarriage component performance, and this is why Burco dedicates so much energy to materials research and development. Wear tests are conducted on samples that have been subjected to different heat treatments in order to lengthen component life, even in the most extreme operating conditions. Photoelasticity and strain gauge techniques are used to analyze the stress and fatigue states of individual components and assemblies. Before going into series production, the components are sent to the reliability testing department, where a full range of test machines help to greatly reduce the time and cost needed to optimize the finished product before the final field tests. After the laboratory testing stage, Burco completes its design procedure with a series of field tests on undercarriage system prototypes. The entire production process is managed and controlled internally, from the processing of the raw materials right through to the painting of the finished components, guaranteeing highly reliable procedures and constant quality. Considerable resources are dedicated to the continuous development of core competencies, such as hot forging. A company's strong point is the 29 hot forging lines, which produce 15 million track links, over 2.5 million half rollers shells, and 700,000 sprockets and segments annually. This massive forging production requires over 7,000 forging dies, produced inside Burco, either by electrical discharge machining or on high-speed work centers. The new hot forging line for large-size forged parts and mining components is a massive expression of Burco innovation in the forging field. The line with its 32,000-ton screw press, produces idlers, sprockets, and sprocket rims. Previously, these components were cast and trimmed manually in a costly process. The urge to bring a competitive edge into production technology has often led to the creation of totally unique, specially tailored solutions, such as the master split link process. This process uses innovative chip removal techniques with creep feed grinding, which has revolutionized the production process, streamlined the machining stages, and notably improved the quality of the end product. The production processes for strategic components have been developed and implemented internally by Berco to guarantee maximum reliability. Flexible, computer-managed production systems with sophisticated numerical control machines ensure even shorter retooling times in production changes. The new roller brackets machining lines use flexible production systems with a combined operation of numerically controlled lathes, machining centers, measuring stations, and handling systems. The production of all front idlers, from fabricated idlers to complete idler groups, has been concentrated in the Castelfranco Veneto factory. The tread rims are produced on two highly modern multi-spindle circular ring rolling mills, the only ones of their kind, capable of rolling the component in a single operation. In order to guarantee superior products with excellent wear resistance, Berco has, over the years, innovated and maximized all its heat treatment processes. There are over 100 heat treatment stations using techniques such as surface induction hardening and differential quenching, and equipment such as quenching and tempering process furnaces and case hardening furnaces. Berco has opted for automation as the way to face up to the challenges of the new millennium. The company had its first robot installed in 1988, and now it has more than 300. Electromechanical handling robots, self-learning hydraulic robots, and Cartesian robots are used in a wide range of production applications. Examples include loading and unloading of machine tools, torquing of clamping equipment, and handling of the products in assembly processes. The use of robots for the heavier and more repetitive tasks not only ensures high quality standards, but also gives support to human operators. The robot-assisted manufacturing lines are managed by computer-aided systems, which oversee all the process stages, right up to the final assembly and painting. This innovative, highly automated production system allows Berco to strengthen its undisputed leading market position on a continuous basis. A highly efficient logistics center capable of handling over 1,500 tons of product a day guarantees the rapid and effective dispatch of components to all customer destinations. Orders for small components can be processed quickly thanks to automatic, modular, computer-managed warehouses. There are also production and logistics centers in Germany, the United States, and Brazil. Thanks to its efficient organization, Burco is able to supply the assembly lines of the major earth-moving equipment manufacturers on a just-in-time basis. With a network of over 200 local Burco dealers, the availability of Burco products can be guaranteed in all corners of the earth. With their long experience, readily available stock, and well-equipped workshops, Burco dealers are able to offer the customer a top-quality service. Thanks to new communication technologies, Burco dealers can now access a wealth of information in the undercarriage products database online and find the right answers quickly and easily. Orders can also be managed in the same way, along with warranties and the main transactions between partners and customers. Refresher courses, tailor-made for specific dealer and customer needs, are organized for training both engineering and sales personnel. Burco offers assistance in choosing the right component for the job and also provides on-site support with a team of engineering experts. Regular visits to customers to appraise undercarriage wear guarantees better product performance for lower machine maintenance costs. Burco supports its sales activities by attending all the main trade fairs in the industry and provides its dealers with the most effective marketing tools. For Burco, customer satisfaction isn't just an objective, it's a company philosophy.
Have you ever wondered what empowers industry, progress, and exploration? Whether it's in the landing gear of an aircraft, the turbines for power generation, the road you drive on, the brake lining of your car, or the process used to create a variety of familiar products, Kennametal is connected in countless ways to the things you see and experience every single day. It's not just what we make, but what we know that matters. Founded on industrial innovation and material science, we have been delivering productivity to customers for more than 75 years.
With Kennametal, we like to provide a total solution. That includes standard products, custom products, and the process by which to use those products. I think the importance of creating a complete solution is it goes much deeper than just a single tool. We're building a relationship with that customer. We're making that customer understand that we're part of his team to enable his success.
To be a leader in our industry means we take the lead in our communities. It is this type of different thinking that sets us apart from our competition.
The similarities between the work I do volunteering and Kennametal's values are the excellence to make people happy, whether it be a client, whether it be someone you're helping. I volunteer because I believe it's important to give back to the community. It's also important to help foster an ecosystem where everything around thrives and improves the lives of everyone around you.
Innovation, perseverance, and close attention to customer needs have characterized Kennametal since its founding in 1938. It was Philip McKenna's pioneering development of material science that led to rewriting the standards for machining steel. And we have not rested since. Continuous innovation, financial strength, and strategic expansion have grown Kennametal into an industrial technology leader. Today, we are a diverse, global enterprise with nearly 12,000 employees, serving over 80,000 customers in over 60 countries.
Kennametal provides me such a platform, working in the new product process development, and which can be directly used by customers or our processes, and we can get the customer's problem solved. I'm excited about that. What's the value for Kennametal? It's our technology, our innovation.
Kennametal's culture is very customer-centric, and we're constantly focused and committed to innovation and continuous improvement. One of the biggest factors that led me to Kennametal was the fact that I would be exposed to several different functions and a variety of departments all through the supply chain, and that was really exciting.
I believe working with Kennametal, Kennametal has a bright future, and for ourselves, our future is also great.
We will continue to lead the way for future innovation in a multitude of industries. From intense heat to unfathomable depths and unbelievable heights, Kennametal provides solutions that deliver productivity in the most demanding environments.
I think it's the people. We have great people, our core part of culture.
Our company's great promise starts with our employees and the knowledge and expertise we bring to serve our customers, our communities, and everyone invested in our future.
No one understands time is money better than a construction crew at work in some of the planet's most unforgiving quarries and job sites. In these get-it-done-now times, crews need full machine productivity. For over 5 decades, ESCO has continually recognized just how important productivity, performance, and safety are to the construction industry, with the innovation of tooth systems such harsh applications demand. By manufacturing its own cast alloy parts, ESCO Precision engineers products with unparalleled wear life for a wide variety of applications. Now, ESCO revolutionizes the tooth system once again with the introduction of the UltraLock system. Backed by global research and extensive field studies, the UltraLock system is a technological breakthrough for construction crews whose focus is increased productivity. Just how did ESCO do it? A dedicated team of engineers came up with a revolutionary concept. Why not design the system with a locking mechanism as part of the point? So ESCO incorporated an integrated locking system into the design of the UltraLock. No more wasted time dealing with retaining pins. Here's how the UltraLock system works. To remove, clean the latch cavity of fines on both the top and bottom of the latch. Insert the pry bar into the slot at the top side of the latch. Push the pry bar handle toward the center. Clean the fines from the second groove. Reinsert the pry bar into the second groove and push the pry bar handle toward the center again until all 3 grooves are showing. In certain applications, the third groove may be beneficial in reaching the fully unlatched position. In the unlatched position, the latch remains in the point, but the point is able to be removed from the nose. To install, the UltraLock system teeth arrive with the integral locking mechanism in the fully unlatched position. Make sure the adapter nose is clean of excess fines. Slide the point on the nose. Insert the pry bar into the slot between the lower side of the latch and the point wall. Push the pry bar handle towards center until the latch clicks into place. In the fully latched position, the latch face will be recessed from the surface of the point. Featuring a slimmer profile, the UltraLock integrated point and adapter interface provides a better penetrating tooth system. Once the operator hears the integral retainer click, the machine is ready to take on more demanding work. But ESCO engineers didn't stop there. They also made the UltraLock system's integral retainer hammerless. And changing worn-out teeth on excavators and loaders do not require the use of any specialized tools. This is not only a time saver, but a positive impact to worker safety.
We've been running this system about 6 months now. The advantage of the hammerless system is the safety aspect of it. There's less tooling involved. You're not pounding on the tooth. Just typically a pry bar and a pick and you're able to get them right off. The advantages of an integral retainer is all your pieces everything's in one package. You get out to the job, everything's right there. It all comes in, no loose pieces. You're able to get the job done right there without search for other pieces.
We've been running the system for approximately a year. Number one advantage of the hammerless system is safety. We don't have to use the hammer or worry about hitting hard metals together and causing metal to fly and hit other people or ourselves. So that's the number one advantage to it. The impact of this system on our productivity has been very good. It's caused a lot of good uptime. The teeth are lasting longer. We got less throwaway. So end result is we got more rock on the ground.
Versatility has always been a part of the ESCO heritage. So it makes no difference what machine the UltraLock system is attached to. The UltraLock system features a full line of point shapes and a wide range of sizes. From 6 to 75 metric tons for excavators, and from 3 to 12 cubic yards for wheel loaders. Every construction crew wants to improve productivity, performance, and safety record. The revolutionary new UltraLock tooth system from ESCO. It's what you've come to expect from ESCO.
Everybody close the